السلام علیکم دوستانو، یو ور بیا ښه راغلاست. نن به موږ د انګلیسي هغه لنډې جملې وایو کومې چې روزمره ژوند کې کاریږي. Stop here. Stop here. همدلته ودرېږه. Move ahead. Move ahead. مخکې ځه. Let me work. Let me work. ما کار ته پرېږده. Just listen. Just listen. غوږ کېږده صرف. Take care. Take care. پام کوه. Let him go. Let him go. هغه پرېږده چې ځي. Come soon. Come soon. زر راشي. Let me go. Let me go. ما پرېږده چې لاړ شم. Let me see. Let me see. ما پرېږده چې وګورم. Listen to me. Listen to me. ما ته غوږ کېږده. Get lost. Get lost. ورک شه. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. چپ اوسه. Don't move. Don't move. حرکت ونه کړئ. Wait here. Wait here. دلته صبر وکړه. Get ready. Get ready. آماده شه. Speak out. Speak out. خبر وکړه. Look ahead. Look ahead. مخکې ګوره. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. په کراره چلوه. Wait outside. Wait outside. باندې انتظار وکړه. Look here. Look here. دلته وګوره. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. خپل کار سره کار لره. Come on. Come on. ځکه Be careful. Be careful. محتاط اوسه. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. خبرونه مخکې سوچ کوه. Go back. Go back. بیرته ځه. Don't forget. Don't forget. هیر نه کړئ. Come near. Come near. نږدې راشه. Don't go. Don't go. لاړ نشي. Take it. Take it. دا واله. Go slowly. Go slowly. په کراره ځه.